Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. A chatbot is a software program designed to interact with users through text or voice-based conversations. It uses artificial intelligence, AI, and natural language processing, NLP, techniques to understand user queries and provide relevant responses. Chatbots can be used in various applications, such as customer support, sales assistance, information retrieval, and task automation. Here are some ways to potentially earn money with chatbots. 1. Chatbot as a service, CaaS, develop and offer chatbot solutions to businesses or individuals as a service. You can create customized chatbots tailored to specific industries or business needs. Charge a fee for developing, deploying, and maintaining the chatbot for your clients. 2. E-commerce and sales. Build chatbots that assist in e-commerce transactions. These chatbots can help users find products, provide recommendations, answer questions, and complete purchases. You can earn money by integrating affiliate marketing programs or receiving commissions for referred sales. 3. Lead generation and qualification. Create chatbots that engage website visitors and collect information for lead generation. These chatbots can qualify leads based on predefined criteria and provide businesses with valuable data. Charge businesses for the lead generation service or for the qualified leads delivered. 4. Virtual assistant services. Develop chatbots that function as virtual assistants for individuals or businesses. These chatbots can help with scheduling appointments, managing tasks, providing reminders, and handling basic inquiries. Charge a subscription fee or offer premium features for a fee to monetize the virtual assistant service. 5. Content and information delivery. Build chatbots that deliver personalized content, news updates, or educational information to users. You can monetize this by partnering with content providers or charging a subscription fee for premium content access. 6. Chatbot platform development. Create a chatbot development platform or framework and monetize it by offering it as a software as a service, SaaS, solution. Provide developers with the tools and resources to build their own chatbots and charge a subscription or usage-based fee for access to the platform. 7. Chatbot advertising. Incorporate advertising into chatbot interactions. You can display relevant advertisements within the chatbot interface or provide sponsored recommendations to users. Generate revenue through advertising partnerships or pay-per-click (PPC) models. 8. Chatbot analytics and insights. Collect and analyze data from chatbot interactions to derive valuable insights for businesses. Offer analytics and reporting services to help businesses optimize their chatbot performance and improve customer experiences. When exploring these monetization opportunities, it's essential to consider the value proposition of your chatbot, understand the target market, and ensure a seamless user experience. Additionally, compliance with privacy regulations and ethical considerations in data handling should be a priority. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.